Why would they get laxative for mom also? What? I can't read my book. I'm not going to the pharmacy to get loose motion medicine and laxative. I mean, what are they even eating? Ek ko loose motion, ek ko laxative. Anyway, guys, I mean, you know sometimes how difficult it is to make parents understand, right? Nowadays, everything is right here. All I need to do is just order the medicines from my phone. And why not? Since there are so many great apps from which you can order medicines, get tests done, and also get doctor consultations. Exactly. So today, I'm going to show you some of the best health apps that can help you from getting medicines to doctor consultancy, all of that at your doorstep. I think I need to show this to my parents as well. Let's get started. Practo. Practo offers many features that make it unique compared to others in the market. Not only can you consult with doctors via video conferencing, but you can also have medicines delivered right to your doorstep. The app also offers a free service where you can ask health-related queries to a doctor. And the best part, home sample collections are absolutely free. Practo also has over 1 lakh doctors, guys, and from more than 25 specialties. And their online pharmacy offers multiple discounts on various medicines. Available on both Android and iOS, Practo has become a popular choice for so many, and why not? I mean, they offer so much. M-Fine. As the name goes, this is one fine app. M-Fine offers professional doctor consultations at really low rates, starting from rupees 125. 125, can you imagine? With over 30 specialties of doctors who speak English, Hindi, and a lot of regional languages as well, M-Fine makes it super easy for anyone to seek medical attention from the comfort of their homes. Dad, are you listening? Anyway, recently the app has launched a cancer screening feature in partnership with Datar Cancer Genetics, where users can book a range of cancer diagnostic tests as well. Manybody. Manybody provides basic online doctor consultations, but its premium membership plan, Manybody Gold, offers unlimited consultations for you and your family. I think this is the one that I need for my family. Anyway, with doctors from over 18 specialties who speak more than 20 regional languages, Manybody ensures that language is not a barrier to healthcare. I mean, that is super impressive. Another unique aspect of Manybody is its health insurance coverage, where you can search for and compare prices of different insurance plans and purchase them online. With its user-friendly interface and focus on providing comprehensive healthcare solutions, Manybody has emerged as one of the top health tech apps in India. Farmeasy. If you thought Farmeasy just had that very catchy jingle, Farmeasy, Farmeasy, think again. This app is an online pharmacy that delivers medicines right to your doorstep within 24 to 48 hours of your purchase. You can search for your medicines or upload your prescription, and once it is verified, your order will be dispatched to you absolutely safely. Farmeasy also offers discounts on your order, which can save you a lot of money. Farmeasy helps users to avoid the hassle of searching for specific medicines, and it also gives them the convenience of avoiding long queues at pharmacies. Hear that, Dad? Anyway, Farmeasy has become a very popular choice for users looking for a reliable and hassle-free way to purchase their medicines. Last but not the least, Netmeds. With discounted rates on medicines and free consultations, Netmeds is another popular online pharmacy app in India. The app also sends reminders to refill your medication and provides detailed information about the medicines that you are buying. Netmeds has a vast network of pharmacies across India, guys, making it possible for the app to provide fast and reliable delivery services to the users. These apps not only benefit patients but also doctors, who can now reach out to a larger audience and provide their services online too. So, say goodbye to the hassle of visiting the doctor in person or waiting in line at the pharmacy, and say hello to healthcare at your doorstep. It's never been this easy. Download these apps today and take advantage of the services that they have to offer. Trust us, your health will thank you for it. On that note, guys, keep watching this space and don't forget to share your thoughts. Soda bhi leke aana, please. Acidity what? Dad, what on earth are you guys eating?